Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by isolating the problem so you know what to fix. First, inspect the cable, jack and connectors for frays or dirt. A quick brush can remove debris. Next, plug the earphones into a second device and listen for the same noise. Once done, swap left and right buds to check a single driver. Finally, make sure volume, equalizer, and phone noise cancellation are reset because software can introduce hiss. Now you perform detailed fixes to remove internal or contact noise. You'll clean the jack and plug with 70–90% isopropyl on a swab. Do not soak. Light strokes remove oxidation. Once done, replace foam or silicone tips because pore seals cause static and change impedance. Then gently flex the cable while listening. If noise appears, mark the spot. This reveals broken wires, so you can reterminate or use heat shrink to stabilize the joint. You finish by securing or replacing the faulty part so noise stops permanently. Strip a millimeter of insulation, tin wires, and resolder or swap in a replacement cable or plug. Make sure solder joints are insulated and strain relieved. Once done, test with music and a call at low and high volumes across devices to confirm silence. If noise persists, try a ferrite bead to reduce interference, or document the issue and use the warranty for a replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.